In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change video volume in CapCut PC. If you need to boost a quiet voiceover or turn down background music that feels too loud, CapCut makes it very easy to adjust your audio levels right inside the editor. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to look for so you can make quick, clean volume changes with confidence. To begin, head down to your timeline and find the exact clip you want to adjust. This could be a video clip that contains recorded sound, or it could be a separate audio track such as music or narration. Once you've found it, click on that specific block one time. After you click, you should see a clear selection border appear around it. That border is important because it tells CapCut that this is the exact clip you want to edit. If nothing is selected, the audio controls may not affect the right item, so always make sure the correct clip is highlighted first. Once your clip is selected, move your attention to the top right side of the screen where the Properties panel is located. Across the top of that panel, you'll see different tab options. Click on the Audio tab to open the sound settings for the selected clip. After that, make sure the Basic sub-tab is active. This section contains the main sound controls you'll use for quick volume adjustments. Now you're ready to change the loudness level. At the top of this panel, look for the control labeled Volume. You'll see a slider, and by default, it may be sitting at 0 decibels. 0 decibels means the original volume is unchanged. If your voiceover is too quiet, click and drag the slider to the right to increase it, moving into positive values such as +3 decibels. If your background audio is overpowering your main speech, drag the slider to the left into the negative range to reduce it. If you want more precision, there's also a numeric value box on the far right side of the volume control. You can click directly into that field and type in the exact number you want using your keyboard. This is especially helpful when you want more controlled, repeatable adjustments instead of estimating with the slider. And that's it. By selecting the clip in the timeline, opening the audio panel on the right, and adjusting the volume slider or entering a value manually, you can quickly fine-tune your sound in just a few moments. You're all set.